You can fool the people sometimes, but you can't fool the people all the time. Zuari land issue. Chief Minister opposed to that word called Zuari land scam. The scales change, the colors change, and I don't know what else has changed, but today they are supporting exactly what they opposed. That land has already become Zuari land and no longer belonging to Komunidad. This was Komunidad land given to Zuari, therefore you need to protect it. 2 दिसान कांय जायना कित्याक पयल्या दिसाचे गव्हर्नर एड्रेस आशिल्लो पूण आयज आमी जात तितले आमी केले आनी एक ऑन दॅट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इश्यू हांवें स्टार्ट केला. इट वॉज अ प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्यूशन एंड द मिनिस्टर आस्क्ड फॉर पोस्टपोनमेंट एंड दे वर नॉट रेडी बिकॉज मेनी थिंग्स वूड हॅव कम आउट एंड दे वर नोईंग इट आनी तेका पोस्टपोन केलो. एज फार एज the Komunidad amendment was concerned, that was a major this thing which I had. तुमकां याद आसतलें ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलो तेन्ना सरकारान ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलेलो तेन्ना हांवें सांगलेलें दीस ऑर्डिनन्स वील नॉट हेल्प कवर जुवारी लँड. आनी कितले लोक बेजार जाले चिंतले आय एम फेवरींग जुवारी. दॅट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. आय एम नॉट फेवरींग जुवारी. आय वॉज आस्किंग दॅट द अमेंडमेंट शुड बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड to stop Zuari from selling the land, stop Zuari from changing the user of the land. And I amendment when that ordinance has to be laid before the table of the house. And once it is tabled before the house, within 6 months it has to be tabled. So 6 months time period zatalo cover, so they tabled it before the house. So they bring the same bill normally. They can bring with a modification, but I proposed amendments. Mugi amendment kit ashile that even previously granted Komunidad lands should not be allowed to be changed of its use. I कायदो दाखयलो that एक पाटी Komunidad जमीन तुगे POS definitive मेळटा final possession आनी तू 20 times 4 फारी केलो. 4 is annual rent. 20 times एक पाटी फारी केलो तो absolute owner जाता आनी Komunidad कसलो रायट ना. सो हांवें सांगलां हांवें जुवारीचे सांगलें की जुवारीचे पयले एम्फिथियोसीस दिल्ले आफोरामेंत दिल्लो मागीर एक सेल डीड केलो. सो यू नो वेन अ सेल डीड इज मेड दे बिकम एब्सोल्यूट ओनर ऑफ द लँड. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ अ डिस्कशन एंड दैट इज रिटन इन द जजमेंट. स्टील Komunidad of Sankwal filed a suit. Suit also was dismissed. तेही सांगलें. Went in appeal was dismissed. And 2 judgments against Komunidad of Sankwal saying that Zuari is absolute on the land. Now, last assembly session, Vijay Sardesai and Carlo Tanla and our opposition members had taken up about this Zuari land issue. Chief Minister opposed to that word called Zuari land scam. And Chief Minister made a statement on the floor of the House that we will not allow this land given for industrial purpose to be used for any non-industrial or for housing project. So I wanted to test. You're telling us the truth or you're not telling us the truth. And Chief Minister was dodging it. No, we are only saying Komunidad land. Komunidad land, why was he using this word cunningly? Because that land has already become Zuari land and no longer belonging to Komunidad. So see the play on the words? So he would not be wrong. But I knew where the cat was in the bag. So I dollo dekan sangla na this was Komunidad land given to Zuari, therefore you need to protect it. Because there are many other lands like this which Komunidad has given. Those people are redeemed the 4, become absolute owners, but they are still original Komunidad lands. So therefore, if you need to protect it, my amendment would have protected it. But it was defeated by a division, and now we know who stands with whom. But the shocking part of it was that members who were with the Congress party raising this issue, from Sankalp Amodkar to even Digambar Kamath, today were voting with the governor. That is the most humorous part of this. So I think that you understand the scales change, the colors change, and I don't know what else has changed, but today they are supporting exactly what they opposed. In this tenure, I'm not talking last assembly when they were elected. This assembly, when I have been elected, And they were asking me to speak about it. And now they are wholeheartedly supporting on the other side exactly what they did contrary last time. See, there are some issues which we will definitely take to court. There are some matters which we have to expose the government on the floor of the house. That's our duty. And certain matters which can go to court, we will take to court for sure. That you be sure about it. And whatever they may try to say, whatever clean sheet they may give to anybody, we will make sure that we have to knock the doors of the court. We will do it, because people can't be taken for a ride. And remember, whatever you say on the floor of the house, you are protected. We are privileged. But doesn't mean to say you can disappear and you can run away and you can fool the people. You can fool the people sometimes, but you can't fool the people all the time. One guaranteed is that the 2 lakh square meters of TV Comunidad. I have discovered fraud after fraud, and we will put it out the moment we file the petition. The last few elements we are getting, but everything is a fraud.